Okay, so I just visited World Market for the first time. The first thing I have is the Pocky Almond Crunch. I've had other Pocky, so now we're going to try this one. There's three different packages in this one package. That's what it looks like on the inside. Pulling these out. They look pretty good. A little bit skinnier than the other Pocky I've had, but I think it'll do. Smell the almonds before you even take it out. Okay, so here's our little stick of delectable Pocky, and now I'm going to taste it.
We know the decision to eat potato chips is a serious one, and we believe it should be rewarded with grape chips. This is John Bassman of Trader Joe's.
It's not bad. I actually like it. It definitely tastes almonds. Not too bad. And then, next thing we have is this organic stuff. It's called Puree Organic, and it's supposed to be ancient healing tea. And this is mango with passion fruit. You see like some of it on the bottom, so I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Taste our tea. Doesn't really taste like anything. To be honest, doesn't really taste like anything. You can taste the mango, but it's like, it does say that it has 40% less sugar. You can definitely tell. And it's missing sugar. And on the bottom of the cap it says, looking up gives light, although at first it makes you dizzy. So, some enlightening is going on with this cap right here. And then, the last thing we have is a Kinder Country bar, and I'm pretty sure that this is German because you can't read any of it, and has the weird little things over it that only Germany and Mexico have, so I'm assuming this is German. This is definitely German by these words, but it's German. So I'm assuming this is where you open it, considering there's arrows with weird language. I assume I open it here. Supposedly. So,
Swipe the boar's head. Of course, knowing how desirable boar's head oven gold turkey is, the sandwich only may be ready for the
this is what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of like a regular chocolate bar.
Boar's head oven gold turkey.
It's like one of those rice chocolate bars. Just gonna break a piece off. That's what it looks like on the inside. That's interesting. Just have a small piece. You can try it. It tastes kind of like rice and chocolate and coconut. It's kind of what it tastes like. So I'm assuming there's coconut in this. Basically, these are some of the new foods I tried from World Market in, what is it, Champers? In Oak Brook. I went to Oak Brook, and these are some of the new foods I tried. They're not bad. They did have an Australia veggie spread that I wanted to try, but couldn't really afford it. But yeah,